Hello guys, welcome to mathematics classes by Nikita. So today I am starting with your chapter 3 exemplar, that is the trigonometric functions. Many of you requested to give the solutions of this first, so I am giving you the solutions of chapter 3 now. So on the right hand side you can see that I have opened the NCERT exemplar, and on the left hand side I will be giving you the solutions. Okay, so let's start now. So the first question, first we have some short answer type questions. So question number 1, but I request you all that before going through this you just just revise all the formulas, because when you solve the questions all the formulas of trigonometry should be on your tips. Okay, so question number 1, prove that tan A plus secant A minus 1 divided by tan A minus secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So question number 1. So consider, so I will consider the left hand side. So consider tan A plus secant A minus 1 divided by tan A minus secant A plus 1. Okay. Now first of all, I can see that on the right hand side I have the expressions in terms of sine and cos. So what I will do is, I know that the formula of this formula, that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So instead of 1 I will put this value, okay, secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So this becomes tan A plus secant A minus, in the bracket you will write secant square A minus tan square A divided by tan A minus secant A, then plus secant square A minus tan square A. Okay, and now what I will do is I will write this this expression. This you can see, I will write this as secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. Okay, so therefore I will get tan A plus secant A, then minus secant A plus tan A multiplied by secant A minus tan A, and in the denominator you will get tan A minus secant A plus secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. Now in the numerator take common tan A plus secant A, and you will be left with 1 minus secant A plus tan A, okay, divided by, now you remember that in the denominator we have put the value of 1 as secant square A minus tan square A. So we don't need that, okay, because I can see that in the numerator something will cancel out with the denominator. So therefore in the denominator I will write this as tan A minus secant A plus 1. Okay. I will keep this as it is. So now what I will do is, you can see that I can cancel out this expression with this because these are same. Okay, you have 1 minus secant A plus tan A in the denominator. So you are left with tan A plus secant A. So this is equal to tan A plus secant A, and this can be written as, now I need the expression in terms of sine and cos. So sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A which is equal to 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So you can see that this is equal to the right hand side. So therefore your question number 1 has been solved. Okay, fine. Let's see question number 2. So question number 2 says, if 2 sin alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to y, then prove that 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha is also equal to y. Okay, so there is some hint given in the question. So let's say what the hint is saying. Express 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha is equal to this. So what they have done is, आप देख सकते हैं इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 1 प्लस कॉस अल्फा प्लस साइन अल्फा. तो ये तो आपको गिवन है, ठीक है. तो इसने क्या करा, इस वाले एक्सप्रेशन को 1 प्लस कॉस अल्फा प्लस साइन अल्फा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और डिवाइड कर दिया, सो दैट देर इज नो चेंज, ठीक है. एंड अल्टीमेटली वी विल रिड्यूस दिस एक्सप्रेशन एज इक्वल टू वाई. सो लेट्स सी दिस. सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. इट इज गिवन दैट 2 साइन अल्फा divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to y, and you have to prove that. So to prove that 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha is also equal to y. So let us consider the expression 1 minus cos alpha plus sin alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha. So what I will do is, I will multiply and I will divide by 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha, ठीक है. और इसी नंबर से हम इसको डिवाइड भी कर देंगे, so that there is no change, ठीक है. I will multiply the numerators and the denominators. So what you will get, I will get, so I am writing the whole expression, 1 then plus cos alpha plus sin alpha, then minus cos alpha minus cos square alpha, then minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha, then plus sin alpha cos alpha, then plus sin square alpha divided by, you will get 1 plus sin alpha into 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha. Okay, now in the numerator you can see that I can cancel out this cos alpha sin alpha because minus sign है और यहाँ पे positive sign है. Then I can cancel out cos alpha with minus cos alpha. Then I can cancel out nothing else. So I will have 1 plus sin alpha plus sin alpha will give you 2 sin alpha, and then you have plus sin square alpha minus cos square alpha, okay, divided by 1 plus sin alpha into 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha. Fine. Now what is this sin square alpha minus cos square alpha? So let us try to express this as something. So in the next page this will be equal to 1 plus 2 sin alpha plus sin square alpha minus cos square alpha divided by 1 plus sin alpha into 1 plus cos alpha plus sin alpha. Okay, now instead of cos square alpha I can write this as 1 minus sin square alpha. So this will become 1 plus 2 sin alpha plus sin square alpha minus 1 minus sine square alpha divided by 1 plus sine alpha multiplied by 1 plus cos alpha plus sine alpha. So this will become 1 plus 2 sine alpha plus 2 sine square alpha minus 1 divided by 1 plus sine alpha into 1 plus cos alpha plus sine alpha. Okay, so this cancels out with this. Now take common 2 sine alpha. You will be left with 1 plus sine alpha divided by 1 plus sine alpha multiplied by 1 plus cos alpha plus sine alpha. So again this and this can be cancelled. So you are left with 2 sine alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus sine alpha, which is given to be equal to y. You can check here, this is given to be equal to y. So hence proved. See, you just have to remember the formulas और क्या prove करना है उसके according आपको substitute करते जाना है. ठीक है? Okay, fine. See question number 3. Question number 3 says if m sin theta is equal to n sin theta plus 2 alpha, then prove that tan of theta plus alpha into cot alpha is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. And they have given you one hint. They are saying that express sine of theta plus 2 alpha divided by sine theta equal to m by n and apply componendo and dividendo. So first of all, what is componendo and dividendo? See, it is a property of ratios. For example, if a by b is equal to c by d, then componendo and dividendo says that a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. This is known as componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now let's do this question. So what is given? It is given that m sin theta is equal to n sine of theta plus 2 alpha. Okay. So first of all, I can write this as sine theta divided by sine of theta plus 2 alpha is equal to n by m. But you can see that जो हमें prove करना है that is in terms of m plus n and m minus n. So I will write this as, this implies that sine of theta plus 2 alpha divided by sine theta is equal to m by n. And now in this equation 1, I will apply componendo and dividendo. So apply componendo and dividendo. So what you will get? You will get, this implies sine of theta plus 2 alpha plus sine theta divided by sine of theta plus 2 alpha minus sine theta is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. Okay, now अभी हमें इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करना है क्योंकि अभी हमें इसको tan और cot के टर्म्स में लेके आना है. अब न्यूमरेटर में आप दे सकते हैं, यू हैव एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म sin x plus sin y and this formula is equal to sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin of x plus y divided by 2 into cos of x minus y divided by 2. Okay, and similarly I will use the formula for sin of x minus sin y. which is equal to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sine of x minus y by 2. So these two formulas I will be using. So what I will get, this implies that this can be written as 2 sine of theta plus 2 alpha plus theta divided by 2 into cos of theta plus 2 alpha minus theta divided by 2 whole divided by 2 cos of theta plus 2 alpha plus theta divided by 2 into sine of theta plus 2 alpha minus theta divided by 2, and this is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. Now let's simplify this. Now you can see that here you will get 2 theta plus 2 alpha, और 2 हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं तो आपके पास थीटा प्लस अल्फा आएगा, और इधर थीटा एंड थीटा विल बी कैंसिल्ड और 2 and 2, so just alpha. So and this 2 can be cancelled with this 2. So therefore I can cancel out this with this. I will cancel out theta with minus theta. So you will be left with sine of theta plus alpha. Then you have into cos of alpha divided by cos of theta plus alpha into sin alpha, and this is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n, and this implies what? This is tan of theta plus alpha, ये चीज़ आपको tan दे देगी, and this will give you cot alpha. This is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n, and you can see that हमें ये ही prove करना था, which is given here. Prove that this is equal to this. So hence proved. Okay, अगर आपको hint नहीं भी दे रखी, then also you can see here that you have m plus n divided by m minus n. ठीक है, तो आपको ये याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ से आप पहले m by n की फॉर्म के अंदर निकालिए एक्सप्रेशन, एंड सिंस यू हैव m प्लस n ओवर m माइनस n, तो वहीं से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपको कैसे फर्स्ट स्टेप अप्लाई करना है. बट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाट इज कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 says if cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5 and sine of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13, where alpha lie between 0 and pi by 4, find the value of tan of 2 alpha. ठीक है, and one hint is given that express tan of 2 alpha as tan of alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Now first of all, what is given to us? So question number 4, it is given that cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5 and sine of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. Okay, and it is given that alpha lies between 0 to pi by 4. This angle is between 0 to 45 degrees. Now first of all, you have to find what is tan of alpha plus beta and tan of alpha minus beta while using this two given things. Now first of all, let's make a triangle whose one of the angles is 90 degrees, and this angle, suppose it is alpha plus beta. Okay, now it is given that cos of alpha plus beta is 4 by 5, and you know that cos of थीटा इज इक्वल टू, आप cos थीटा कैसे निकालते हो? इट इज b अपॉन h, so base upon the hypotenuse. So therefore cos of alpha plus beta is given to be 4 by 5. So therefore this is 4 and this is 5. Now using trigonometry I can find what is this this side, the length of this side. So what we have 5 square is equal to 4 square plus, suppose this is a b c plus ac square. Okay, so therefore ac square will be equal to 25 minus 16 which is equal to 9, and this implies that AC is equal to 3. So this is 3. Okay, so therefore what is tan of alpha plus beta? So tan of alpha plus beta is equal to P upon B. So therefore it will come out to be, so P is perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. So P by B becomes 3 by 4. Now let's make one more triangle whose one of the angles is alpha minus beta. Okay, so this angle is alpha minus beta. So let's number this as A, B, C. So it is given that sine of alpha minus beta is 5 by 13. And what is your sine theta? Sine theta is equal to P by H. Okay, so therefore sine of alpha minus beta 5 by 13 means this is 5 and this is your 13. So therefore what we have is 13 square is equal to 5 square plus BC square, and this implies that BC square is equal to 169 minus 25 which is equal to 144. So this implies that BC is equal to 12. And therefore what we get, that tan of alpha minus beta is equal to, so this side is 12 and tan means it is P upon B. So P is 5 and base is 12. So we got this expression and we got this. Now let's see how to solve it. Now हमें tan 2 alpha find करना है. Okay, find the value of tan of 2 alpha. Now tan of 2 alpha can be written as tan of alpha plus beta and then plus alpha minus beta, because you can see that beta and beta will cancel out. You will be left with tan of 2 alpha and this is equal to, so consider this as one and this as the other, and you know that what is tan of A plus B. The formula of tan of A plus B is equal to tan of A plus tan of B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so this will be equal to tan of alpha plus beta then plus tan of alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan of alpha plus beta into tan of alpha minus beta. So this will be equal to, now substitute the value, tan of alpha plus beta is 3 by 4 and that is 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Now let's just simplify this. So in the numerator 12 will be the LCM. We will get 9 plus 5 divided by, you will get, this will cancel out, so you will get 16 can be the LCM, so you will get 16 minus 5. So this will be equal to 14 by 12 divided by 11 by 16, which is equal to 14 by 12 into 16 by 11, which is equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 14 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 56 आ गया आपका न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में आपके पास आ जाएगा 33. So this is the answer. So tan of 2 alpha is equal to 56 by 33. Now one thing to note कि आपको इसके अंदर ये चीज़ जो दे रखी है that alpha lies between 0 to pi by 4. It is because कि ये जो एंगल है alpha plus beta ये आपका acute एंगल रहे, क्योंकि हमें पता है in a triangle the sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees. तो आपके पास already ये 90 degrees है, ठीक है. तो ये जो बाकी जो 2 एंगल्स बचे इन दोनों का सम भी आपका 90 डिग्रीज होना चाहिए, ठीक है. इस वजह से हमने अल्फा को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया कि अल्फा जो है इट लाइज बिटवीन 0 to 45 डिग्रीज. ओके, एंड सिमिलरली हियर आपके पास यहाँ तो बल्कि माइनस हो रहा है. सो देयरफॉर दिस वाज गिवन कंडीशन इन द क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. We have question number 5. If tan x is equal to b by a, then find the value of under the root a plus b divided by a minus b plus under the root a minus b divided by a plus b. So question number 5, what is given to us? It is given that tan x is equal to b by a, and you have to find the value of that expression. So therefore I will consider under the root a plus b divided by a minus b plus under the root a minus b divided by a plus b. Okay, now first of all I can write this as, separate the root. So root of a plus b divided by root of a minus b plus root of a minus b divided by root of a plus b. Now you can take the LCM. So LCM आपका क्या आएगा? Root of a minus b into root of a plus b, and in the numerator you will have a plus b plus a minus b, ठीक है, which is equal to, so b and b will be cancelled, b with minus b, so you will get 2a divided by, so this is under the root a square minus b square, and this can be written as 2a divided by, now I can take a square out of the under root, so बाहर आके वो a आ जाएगा, ठीक है, so therefore this will be 1 minus b by a का whole square. A will be cancelled with a. Now note that a is not equal to 0 because already a आपका denominator के अंदर given है b by a, so it's implicit that a is not equal to 0. तो ये आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? This is equal to 2 divided by under the root 1 minus b by a का whole square, which is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus tan square x, okay, which is equal to 2 divided by under the root 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x, which is equal to 2 cos x under the root cos square x minus sin square x, okay, which is equal to 2 cos x under the root, now cos square x minus sin square x, the formula is cos 2x. So this is the value. तो यहाँ तक मैं इसको सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है. दिस इज, आप अगर यहाँ भी छोड़ेंगे ये भी ठीक है, और अगर एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा और मॉडिफाई कर दिया, देन दैट फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस and hence prove that this is equal to 2 cos x divided by root of cos 2x. So यहाँ तक मैंने सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, और यहाँ पे हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करा है, दैट cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos of 2x. I hope you understood the question. Now let's see the next question. So question number 6 says that prove that cos theta by 2 minus cos 3 theta cos of 9 theta by 2 is equal to sin of 7 theta into sin of 8 theta. और आपको एक हिंट दे रखी है that express the left hand side as multiply by 2 and divided by 2. Express this as this. So let's start. So question number 6. So let's consider the left hand side. So consider LHS, which is equal to cos theta into cos of theta by 2 minus cos of 3 theta into cos of 9 theta by 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will multiply, I will divide by 2. So this will be 2 cos theta into cos of theta by 2 minus 2 cos of 3 theta into cos of 9 theta by 2. Okay, now I will use the formulas. The formula says that 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y, okay, plus cos of x minus y. So the formula of 2 cos x cos y is cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. So after applying this formula, this will become cos of theta plus theta by 2, then plus cos of theta minus theta by 2, then minus cos of 3 theta प्लस 9 थीटा बाई 2, बट क्योंकि आपके पास बाहर माइनस है तो आपके पास की माइनस आएगा, माइनस कॉस ऑफ 3 थीटा माइनस 9 थीटा बाई 2. ओके, एंड दिस विल बिकम हाफ cos of 3 theta by 2 plus cos of theta by 2, then minus cos of, take the LCM, 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 9 is 15 theta by 2, and minus cos of 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 9 is minus 3 theta by 2. But cos of minus theta is same as cos theta. ठीक है, so this will be equal to half cos of 3 theta by 2 plus cos of theta by 2, then minus cos of 15 theta by 2, and then minus cos of 3 theta by 2, and I am using the formula that cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Okay, now I can cancel out this and this, so you are left with half times cos of theta by 2 minus cos of 15 theta by 2. Now here you again have to use a formula, the formula for cos x minus cos y. ठीक है, it is equal to 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into sin of, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन आता है, माइनस 2 साइन ऑफ x प्लस वाई बाई 2 इंटू साइन ऑफ x माइनस वाई बाई 2. ठीक है, so this is the formula. So apply this formula. So what you will get, half minus 2 sin of theta by 2 plus 15 theta by 2 whole divided by 2 into sin of theta by 2 minus 15 theta by 2 whole divided by 2. Now simplify this. This will be equal to, so I am directly writing here, this is half, ये तो आपका कैंसिल ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so I can, so minus, so in this you can see theta by 2 plus 15 theta by 2, so it will be 8 theta. ठीक है, 16 theta by 2 आएगा, 8 theta आएगा, so minus sin of 8 theta by 2, then into sin of, this will be minus 14 theta by 2, तो minus 7 theta बन जाएगा, so minus 7 theta by 2 which is equal to, now sin of minus x is minus of sin x, तो ऑलरेडी एक माइनस साइन है तो वो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा, so you will get sin of, so this will be equal to sin of 4 theta into sin of 7 theta by 2. ठीक है, so I have used the formula that sin of minus x is equal to minus of sin x. Now note that in the question जब आप यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे आपका RHS गलत दे रखा है. Let me show you. देखिए आप यहाँ पे इन्होंने RHS गलत दे रखा है. They are saying that prove that this is equal to 7 theta sin 7 theta into sin 8 theta. Actually what they have done is, इन्होंने यहाँ पे जो हम 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं ये करना ये भूल गए हैं. ठीक है, so you can check the formula The formula of cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sine of x plus y divided by 2 into sine of x minus y divided by 2. So ये यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही मिस्टेक है. So instead of this is wrong. So what we have proved is this is sine 4 theta into sine of 7 theta by 2. I hope you are getting it and understanding it. देखिए कई बार बुक में प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो जाती है, बट आप फॉर्मूलोज को आप स्टिक रखिए, अपने माइंड में रखिए कि व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला. एंड इवन यू कैन, अगर आप कोई फॉर्मूला भूल जाते हैं तो आपको डेरिवेशन पता होनी चाहिए कि हमने ये फॉर्मूला कैसे डिराइव करा, सो दैट इंस्टेंटली यू कैन डिराइव द फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, इट विल टेक अराउंड 4 to 5 minutes longer, but it's better that you derive the formula in your rough work and then apply. ठीक है, okay. So I think I'm stopping here. In the next video I'll start with question number 7. If you have any problem, please mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching my videos. Please do like and subscribe my channel. If you are watching my videos, please subscribe the channel also, so that you are getting the notifications when I'm uploading the new videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.